and welcome to the video. So today we are doing a Palaye Royale style makeup, and as you know, if you are fans, which is probably why you're here, they are touring soon. I'm so excited. Thing is, I've not even been listening to them for too long, probably like 6 months or so now, but I fell in love with them immediately as soon as I started listening to them. Oh, I just thought, why have I not been listening to this band like my entire life? They are so great. And we are going to see them in Manchester on the 19th of February. So ahead of this, I thought I would do a Palaye Royale style makeup so that I can do it when I go to the gig. And I thought I'd do a little practice run, show you guys, and if any of you are going to go and see them, then we can all just create this Palaye Royale makeup community and we'll all just turn up looking sassy as anything. So yeah, but if any of you are going to Manchester, please say hello to me because I'll probably try and vlog. So if you see this pink-haired, crazy glitter-faced person with a camera, please shout, because it would be amazing and I would love to see you guys. Anyway, I've just got way too excited. I'm so excited. If you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe. I would love for you guys to join. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, so basically I created this makeup look and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Yeah, just how I created this sassy, glittery, smoky eye makeup look. It was mainly inspired from I was gonna say Remington. The little cross on the face was inspired by Remington, but the overall eye makeup itself was mainly inspired by Emerson, as he does like his black and pink smoky eye look. So that's mainly where I got my inspiration from. So if you want to see how I created this look, go ahead, carry on watching the video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, sorry about the lighting on this video. I'm still trying to figure out just where to set up my camera for makeup and stuff like that. I've just got like a lamp that I'm currently using as lighting for this makeup video because the lighting in this room is terrible. So if I didn't have this lamp on, it would just be so dark and you wouldn't be able to see what I'm doing. So I've just got this like weird setup right now. But yeah, so getting on with the makeup stuff, I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. I've just kind of like already got that. So I am going to move my hair out of my face with this incredibly cute headband. I know, right? So basically the things that I'm going to be using for today's look is this eyeshadow palette, which is Makeup Revolution. I am obsessed with this at the moment. I've got them in like 3 different colours. Oh, hi dog. There she is. She always has to make an appearance in every video. Let's get started, and we're going to zoom closer into my face because, you know, isn't that just what you want? But yeah, just so you can see what I'm doing, let's just... Hello there. Hello. That is so creepy. Should we move it up a little bit? So, here's my face. Whoop. Beautiful. Beautiful. I've never filmed a video this close to my face. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. No brush in particular because I don't pay for expensive brand makeup brushes. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sort of general pinky, I don't know what to call it. So yeah, I'm just going to take a neutral pink shade and I'm just going to blend it around the top of my eyelids as a base colour. Now remembering that it doesn't have to be completely neat. We're just kind of just wiping it over the eyelid. Now what I'm actually going to do is a very bold move. I'm going to take this palette here, which is it says Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. It's actually from Primark, so quite cheap, very nice palette. But yeah, I haven't really used much of it yet because my sister actually gave it to me. But I'm going to use just this black shade. It is very dark black and I don't own... Weirdly, I don't own many black eyeshadows, so yeah. I'm going to take a smaller brush, and this is terrifying, but I'm going to be taking this black and applying it over my eyelid. I know, this is terrifying. Oh my god, I feel like Emerson already. Now it's really messy at the moment, I'm very much aware of this. but we are going to blend it out. This is just all about blending, 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 and that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm just wiping some of the like excess colour off the brush, and I'm just gonna focus on blending. I'm trying not to go too much to the inner corner of my eye because I actually want to put something a bit lighter in the corner just to make my eyes pop a little bit. So now I'm going to switch to this big fluffy brush that I applied the pink eyeshadow with, and I'm just going to try and blend the black out a little bit so it's more of a smoky greyish pink colour. I feel like this is such like a fun look to just play around with. It feels really weird because I've not done makeup this kind of like messy style in ages. So I feel like I'm doing it wrong, but I'm not. I have got like a couple of pictures of Emerson for this. But yeah, so I was just kind of like grabbing a couple of pictures, and it's mainly going off Emerson's makeup. This is kind of what I'm basing this on. I'm gonna apply a little bit more black onto the lid. As I said, this doesn't really matter whether it's neat or not. It seems really weird, but that's kind of basically the eyelid done. I know it looks like really messy, but it's just what we're going with. So I'm going to take a little tiny brush and we're going to highlight the inner corner of the eye, and we're going to sort of really try and blend out some of this in the middle and make it look a little bit neater at least. Yeah, so we're going to take this Revolution highlighter, so if you can't see it very well. Just a normal highlighter, and we're just going to highlight the inner corner of our eye and just sort of blend it out with the other eyeshadow. So, I know obviously Emerson doesn't necessarily highlight the inner corner of his eye, but I'm a girl, so I just love a bit of highlighter. So we've just done the inner corner of the eye. Now obviously you're thinking, yes, I look a little bit crazy right now. But it's for a gig, you gotta have fun with makeup. Oh wow, you could just see like the dog's tail. So yeah, now we're actually going to move on to the under eye section. And what I'm actually gonna use for this is gonna sound really weird, but cotton buds. I actually like using for the lower lash line. Are you literally watching me do this? Hey dog. I don't want you to lick my makeup off. Come on, down. So yeah, so I bought these cotton wool buds from Asda, and they're actually amazing. Like, let me try and show you. So like one end is flat and then one end is pointy. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I feel like that's amazing for makeup, and it actually says on the box, for making your makeup routine easier. So, you know, I know some people might go, well, that's not very professional, but I'm not a professional makeup artist, so I'll use what I want. But I'm actually really enjoying using this pointy end to do the under eye for eyeshadow. I think it makes the colour more pigmented than it does on a brush. For some reason, I'm just loving it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little pointy end off the cotton bud, and I'm going to take this darker shade here, and that's what I'm going to be using under the eye, and just making that bit under the eye just absolutely pop with colour, because that's more where Emerson has the darker colour. So he leaves the top of the eye smudgy, and then he's got like a darker pink underneath. So that's what I'm going to go with and see if it works. I'm starting to feel like Emerson already. Love it. I'm literally just going to take a little tiny brush and just kind of buffer that out so it's not so precise, and I'm just going to blend it out underneath the eyes. So I'm just going to apply some powder foundation because I haven't actually applied that, so I'm just going to pop that all over my face. I really want to get that blended in with the bottom of the eye, just so it's a bit more of a smudgy look. So I just keep brushing it under my eye just to bring out that colour. So that's the general eye look sorted. We're just going to add some mascara. So for mascara I've been using this Maybelline New York Falsy Lashes thing. So I'm just going to apply that on my eyelashes as normal. I'm not going to do fake eyelashes purely because I'm not very good at sticking them on. yeah, in general I'm just not very good at applying them, so I'm going to stick to mascara for this one. I'm actually going to switch mascara for the lower lashes because I prefer using the lash, I forgot it's called Lash Sensational because of the shape of the brush, so I just prefer using that in the lower lashes. So I'm going to pop that on. Does anyone else pull this face when they put mascara on? Or is it just me? Does anyone else do that? I know I'm really aware of it, especially because I'm recording this. Oh dear. I'm trying so hard not to pull that face right now. So that's the mascara done. I'm actually just going to do the rest of my face as normal. So I'm just going to apply my bronzer. I've just been using Radiance Brick by Rimmel. So I'm just going to chuck that on as normal. I think I'm going to zoom out a little bit now because we've seen my eyeball. Ooh. That's a bit better. And then we're not too close to my face anymore. Now I really want to focus on the highlighter for this look, especially as on a recent post on, I think it was Remington's Instagram, can't remember whether it was Remington's or just the Palaye Royale Instagram, it said grab your glitter, grab your glass masks, I was going to say, oh my god. So grab your glitter, grab your gas masks and come and dance, and just, oh, I was like, yes. So because I saw that, I am actually really excited and I want to create a slightly glittery look on my cheeks, and I'm going to be using glitter. Well, all I'm saying is Remington told me to, so this is what we're going to create. I'm so excited. I've got a little pot of glitter. But yeah, first of all, I'm going to, if I can find my brush, apply my highlighter like a mofo, like some crazy bitch, because we want to be shiny. Because who doesn't want to shine for Remington? Woo! So, I actually have no idea how this is going to go, but we're just going to roll with it anyway. So I've got my little pot of glitter here. It's actually called Fine Glitter Dust by Barry M. And it just comes in this little pot of just loose glitter, and it's amazing. I love it so much. I've been using it over Christmas for eye makeup looks and I love it. I want to try and show you without spilling it everywhere, but it's amazing. I'm actually going to take a little tiny bit of eyelash glue and I'm going to use this cotton bud to kind of blend it out a bit because I don't want a big glob of glue on my face. So I'm actually terrified of doing this because this is not something I've created before. I've not done like festival looks or anything like that, so I have no idea how this is gonna go, and I'm hoping I don't just have a glob of glitter on my face. So here's to hoping that this actually works for you guys. I'm doing this for you. I'm just gonna dot 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 dot, blend it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna take my cotton bud and we're just gonna dab 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 dab. Oh, dab 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 dab. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. Oh my god, I'm gonna use my finger just to. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Sorry, I keep looking up at the screen, but just to see, it's so shiny. I just want to blend it out so it's not a massive thing. Oh my god, this is amazing. So I'm going to do the same on the other side because I'm sassy. Or should I just keep one side? Oh, I don't know. Should I go... I don't know whether to go around the side or not. Or should I just keep it on the cheeks? You know what? I think I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to go double glitter. Double glitter all the way across the sky. I know. Right. So blendy blendy blend. Don't want globs of glue. Do. Grab the glitter, shove it on my face. Woo! I look like a crazy person, but I also do not care. This is amazing. This is actually, the dog is just like licking herself on the floor right now. That's gross. At least she's only licking her foot and she's not licking anything else. But yeah, I think that's enough glitter now. before I look completely crazy. What I am actually going to do, inspired by Remington himself, is I'm going to take a little, if I can find one, it's in here somewhere. I got it. I'm just gonna take now a little tiny eyeliner brush, and I'm actually gonna take the black and inspired, let's see if I can find a picture. It's very blurry, but this little X on his cheek, there we go, camera's back in focus. So yeah, I just want to draw like this little X on my cheek, just like Remington has, because it's adorable. Dabbing it in the black eyeliner. And there we go. You can't see it very well. I might actually just go over it in eyeliner, you know? I think it's going to be a bit more obvious, so we're going to take some liquid eyeliner instead. And we're going to shake it. Why am I like this? That's better. I think I was scared of using eyeliner in case I fucked it up. So I've decided in my bag of lipsticks I'm going to use this L'Oreal lip gloss. As I've gotten with quite a deep, intense eye makeup look, I kind of decided maybe not a pink, dark pink, which is what I was going to go for, but I think it might be a little bit too much. So I'm just going to stick with a sort of nudie shine, we're going to go with that. Nude shiny colour. I just think it'll look nice, bit of glitter, nothing too much. Plus I really like this one, it's really pretty. It's a L'Oreal, the shade 505, Never Let Me Go. It's really nice. And that's it, that'll do really. Okay, so there we go. There's the finished look. I've decided to just stick a headband in. Very sparkly, I just think it's cute and sticks in style with the band. But yeah, so what do you guys think? I really like this look, I think it's really cool. It's definitely not something I've created before, because I've never done this kind of look. So yeah, what do you guys think? I really love it. I think it's so cute and I can't wait to go to the gig. I'm so excited. Eee.